Hey friends, in this super simple Google Sheets tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add a checkbox right here. Let's do it. Okay, as you can see, we've got a very simple Google Sheets spreadsheet here. And what I want to do today is I want to add some checkboxes. And this is great just if you have a team and maybe some task items that you really want people to use and check off once they've completed that task. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the cell where we want the checkbox to show up. In this case, I'll do it over here in column C on line 12. So once I've selected the specific cell that I want to put the checkbox in, what I'll do is I'll come up here to insert. That is going to bring us all sorts of different menu options, including this little guy right here, this checkbox item. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, a checkbox shows up just like that. It's actually formatted to go right into the middle. For some reason you wanted this over on the right-hand side, you can actually use these little formatting guys right here. Now at any point in the future, as you can see, somebody can check this little guy right here, and a little check will show up once the task is complete. Super simple stuff, friends. I hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us. And make sure you subscribe because we're actually making a ton more of these little Google Sheet tutorial videos, and those will be released really, really soon. All right, friends, we'll see you again on the next one.